There are many people who want to enjoy their leisure time at rivers, so actually rivers are favorite places to spend leisure time, not only for fishing, boating, but just to stay near the water, to have a picnic. So this is a typical ecosystem service, recreational service, but we also have other services like retention of floods in intact floodplains. We have the recharge of aquifers, which then can be used to produce pure drinking water. And of course, rivers are also purifying the wastewaters which are added to them. So these are very important services which are often neglected. And I think that those services, which are often not very visible anymore, are worth to be brought again to the public.